Thutha wa murimu wa COVID-19 kuhuja muingi-ini, itharaita ria mbere ria guthima gikiro kiria utambite naguo rikoretwo ari guthima andu kwa wingi. Kwiyumiria gwa Akenya gutikoretwo kuri kuhuthu, aingi magitigira moimirira na marihi ma kurigita murimu uyu.
Nataka kuwaeleza ya kwamba hii shughuli ya testing na kupelekwa kwenye quarantine au kwenye hospitali kutibiwa ukiwa COVID positive, gharama hiyo italipwa na serikali. Kwa hivyo hakuna haja kuogopa ya kwamba utaingia gharama kubwa ukipatikana uwe COVID positive.
Gukinyiria riu andu 68,268 nio mathimitwo, andu 1,348 makarwara, namba iria yongererekete thutha wa 62 kurwara.
Out of these positives, 59 are Kenyans and 3 are foreign nationals. In terms of gender, 45 are male while 17 are female. Age-wise range from between 6 years for the youngest and 64 years for the oldest.
Umuthi kaunti ya Nairobi ikiandikithia arwaru 23, Mombasa arwaru 16, Kwale arwaru 8, Kiambu 6, Kajiado 6 na Kitui 3.
We are glad to inform you that we have, as of today, discharged another 3 patients who have recovered from the disease, bringing the total number of those who have recovered to 405.
No gatakati kana baino kuri na andu amwe arwaru mahota gukorwo matari netini ya thirikari kuona thutha wa muimirira kurekererio ni gukoretwo na hinya wa gukinyira amwe ya andu aria mathimitwo ceceni-ini iria thirikari etwarite kundu gutiganite.
We have talked about this in the last 2 briefings, and I want to reiterate that it is important to provide accurate information, because it is only through this that contact tracing is possible. Providing wrong information means that such individuals are continuing to spread the virus to their loved ones, their friends, and to the community.
Na gutwika haria ministry ya ugima wa mwiri yeregereire namba cia andu aria arwaru ikinye, mikire ya Akenya ya maundu niyo icenjetie thaburiu.
Let's not be fixated with the numbers that if Dr. Amos says you are going to have 3,000 cases in August, then that must come to happen. No. It is based on the measures that we put in place, the behavior of the population, therefore stopping transmission.
Bururi wa Kenya uri mubango-ini wa kunyitanira na mabururi mangi gwetha kihonia kia murimu wa COVID-19. O gikiro gia kuhurana na murimu wa COVID-19 guku bururi-ini kiroka na kiremithia kieru kwa hinda riri thirikari ikiuga irerutanirie kuiguithia Kenya bata wa kuheana ndumiriri ciama wona meyumiria guthimwo niguo aria marwara magakinyirwo na gutangikirwo na ihenya. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Njĩtagwo Gathoni Wanjihia.